I think we bought the 750 and we cleaned lentils with it. We had a big lentil year 2 years ago, I think, and so we had to clean them all to get the dockage down. I think the dockage, I've heard from up to 20%. Just run it through the cleaner and we got ours down to about 4 to 5%. We just leveled it up and you got to play with the wind and speed and all that, how fast you run it through. It's not too hard, you just got to be there and tweak on it a little bit. We cleaned our lentils and then the screenings, we cleaned them again and took the lentils back out of them. So when we hauled screenings away, they were just weed seeds and mostly junk. So I think just by cleaning the lentils that we did, we paid for that cleaner with one season of cleaning. You give that dockage to the elevator, no matter what you do, they dock it for it. So I think if you run it through a cleaner, and you could save that dockage, and if you got cattle or livestock, you can feed it up. You give it away anyway. Anytime you don't have to use a grease gun, it's a good machine.